We are getting on board the train to Busan. Someone even say, oh, are there any zombies in this train? Wow, the weather in Busan is warmer than Seoul. And this is...
The floor here is made of glass.
This one is going to be a full glass floor. Ooh. Hello, Gwangalli. Good morning, everyone. This is Iggy, tour guide for foreign visitors in Korea. Now I am at Busan. Sorry, not Busan. It's Seoul Station. Because I was confused with Busan because we are taking KTX here, go to Busan. So basically we are taking a train to Busan. These are the luggages of my guests who flew from Malaysia last night, and they stayed one night in Seoul, and today we are going to Busan together. And while they're having some free time, I'm just staying with their stuff. This time is going to be a quite interesting trip because it's a family of 6 plus 1 little girl. So 7 guests traveling across the country for about 10 days. But this time they want to spend quite a lot of time in Busan. So we're gonna spend like 4 days in Busan, a couple of more days somewhere on the way to Seoul from Busan. So our trip is about to start actually. Let's go. Now we are getting on board. My guest is super excited to take this train because this is the train to Busan. It seems like everybody watched the movie. Someone even say, oh, are there any zombies in this train? Yay! Finally, I am at Busan. My guests are now having yummy lunch. But for me, I usually skip lunch. So now I'm on the way to seeing our van driver. So basically, we took the KTX, the train from Seoul to Busan. Busan has a great public transportations, but it's like a big family. The little kid, so it'll be nice to have our own private vehicle. So now our driver said he's already arrived at Busan Station. Over the next 9 days, we are going to travel around Busan and other areas and eventually Seoul with that van. The one that the back door is open is ours. Looks like this is our stuff, right? This is our van. So our van is ready, and also I just met a bus driver. Seems like he's a super friendly driver. So everything seems quite smooth, and especially the weather. Wow, the weather in Busan is warmer than Seoul, and this is Busan Station is over there. Yay! What a great day to start our tour. After Busan Station, our tour starts at Haeundae Blue Line Park. As you can see, those are the railway. Train is going to be arrive here pretty soon and then take us the route that goes along the amazing, very scenic coastal line. Now we are at Songjeong Station, which is about 20 minutes away from Haeundae, the most famous beach in Busan. So this train is heading to Haeundae, but we're gonna stop by Observatory Point and then we get off there.
The floor here is made of glass.
Wow! I just got off the train. I am on the bridge. Oh, very scary bridge, right? Ooh, look at that, look at that. Observatory deck is called Cheongsapo Daritdol Observatory. Big circle is hanging in the sky above the amazing ocean. So now you can enjoy the Busan ocean view from the deck or below the bridge like this. It can be quite scary, right? Oh, this one is going to be at the full glass floor. Wow, it is quite scary, isn't it? Good thing is you don't have to buy tickets or anything. It's opens to public for free. So entire structure is like this. See, it looks like this at nighttime. You can buy this wooden fish from the information center, write your wish, and then hang it here. Let's go. Oh, look at all those cafes. Those are called the view cafe because from there you can enjoy the amazing view of Gwangalli Beach. Wow. And then the bridge is very famous, which is just lit. It is going to be more beautiful as sun completely goes down. And now I am at Gwangalli Beach, and then this is our third touristy spot after the observatory. To be honest with you, that as a tour guide, I never really been here before. You know, my tourists, they stay here a couple of days in Busan, so usually we go to the most famous beach, which is Haeundae Beach. Haeundae Beach is amazing, but seems like Gwangalli Beach is also has a unique charm. Looks like there are more younger people. Okay, let's walk there now. Today is a bit windy, and which makes wave bigger and more spectacular. Wow! Ooh. Hello, Gwangalli. Oh. So what does it say? What it says? 안녕 Gwangalli. Hello, Gwangalli.